Guys, I've got something pretty interesting for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Sundaeswap. Sundaeswap is a Cardano decentralized exchange that has been built for you to be able to exchange Cardano tokens, basically. And why I think it's actually really important to be able to know how to navigate this application right now is because there are a lot of hidden gems in this ecosystem that are just ready to pop. So if that has you excited, stick around and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. What's up guys, welcome to the Investors Den. My name is Mr. T. Every now and then I make videos showing you guys how I'm able to make money with cryptocurrencies. So if you love cryptocurrencies and you love to make money, you might want to hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell, alright? And while you're down there, help us with a like because it helps to promote the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Sundaeswap and how to navigate the website, how to take advantage of it, and basically how to make money with it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is head on to the website. Alright, so this is what the application looks like. Head on to sundaeswap.finance and it's going to bring you to this page actually. So Sundaeswap is actually a decentralized exchange. If you don't know what a decentralized exchange is, think about what the opposite of Binance is. Binance is a centralized exchange, meaning they control all the funds, they provide liquidity and everything. Over here it's decentralized, meaning that people who use this application provide the utility and make everything work, community based. So when you come here, you're going to enter the app like this and it's going to take you to this page. So basically for you to be able to use this application, you have to connect your wallet. So you come all the way to connect wallet here. I'm actually going to connect my Nami wallet. Let me connect my CC Vault wallet actually. And there, it's connected already. But if you don't use a CC Vault, you can connect your Nami wallet. It's actually the same process. I think you have to sign. Okay, you don't have to sign here. So that's it, it's connected already. There are actually a couple of things that you could do here. You can actually swap from one token to receive another. You can provide liquidity. That's something I'm going to talk about later on, not in this video. Right now I'm just going to focus on this swap. Alright, so when you head over here and you select what you want to swap from, let's say I want to swap from Cardano and I want to get one of these tokens, I can actually just choose anything that I want here. Let's say I want to choose X-ray. Let's say I want to get X-ray, and I say I want to get $100 X-ray, 100 ADA worth of X-ray. That's going to give me 440 X-ray tokens. So all I have to do is click on swap and it's going to process for a while. The only issue with this exchange right now is it's a little bit very congested. What's most congested anyway is Sunday. If you come all the way to this part here, you see that this actually shows you the depth count of the exchange, meaning that it is very, very difficult to get Sunday at the moment. This particular asset is it's in high demand actually. This one WMT is actually next, but for the other ones, if you make a swap, it's going to go easily, but for this Sunday it might take a while. And let me show you an example. You can see from this transaction here that I tried to swap 100 Cardano to receive Sunday, and I did this on the 26th of January, right? And you can see all these other ones here, I actually made them after I did this one. So I tried to do this Husky token. This is a meme coin, by the way, and I did this on the 28th, and you can see it's completed, but Sunday was not completed because it's so difficult to get Sundaeswap right now. But basically, if you want to make a transaction, all you literally have to do is head over to swap here, input your Cardano, and say you want to do 100 or 200 Cardano, and you want to receive Sunday, for instance. You can do it like this. You can see that you receive 309 Sunday tokens if you pay 200 ADA. So I've actually found another way that you can go about getting Sunday tokens, but I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. I don't want this video to be too long. I want you to be able to watch it again and see what I've just done, just in case it's a little bit too complicated. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you a backdoor, a way that you can actually get Sundaeswap tokens. Click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on it. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you like the video, and I will see you in the very next